Thank you, Sabine, for doing that interview. Hey, Steve, how are you?
I'm good, Andrew. How about you?
I'm good. I can't complain. That sounds great, the process that you're working on. How is that working? Do you guys use, you have your China factory. Do you use all American cotton for that as well?
We do not. We use a good portion of American cotton, but we bring in from other growths, Brazilian, Australian at times, African. It really just depends on what's available, and
The Australians have the same system, right? More or less that the US has,
yeah, very similar. Yes,
right?
sir.
It's the same. So that's great. That's great. And how is the sustainability part work with all this transparency that you have in your product?
Well, a key part of anything that's sustainable is just being able to document the facts. And so there are areas of the world and specific crops that have been, recognized, such as the U.S. crop of having sustainable practices, agricultural methods, verified to not have human rights problems. And so this technology just allows us to document and prove that the fibers are coming from the regions that they claim. It also allows us to put our vendors on notice, whether it be yarn or cotton, hey, there are certain regions we've defined that we want to source from and certain regions that we do not want to source from. And now we have the ability to actually verify that on incoming materials to make sure that we're getting what we pay for.
That's great. And what are the next plans that you guys have after this? I mean, because we're all moving towards sustainability. So how do you guys see the future?
I think as far as traceability of fibers, I really think that this type of testing is going to be industry standard in 5 years. I think it's going to be a requirement. So we're very happy to be on the ground floor of this. We feel like it gives our customers a lot of comfort that we can verify what we're doing. We've got some other sustainable things coming up. We've got a zero liquid discharge water treatment facility that's being installed currently at one of our Mexico facilities. We've got water savings programs and ozone finishing ranges that are being put into place that have less water, less chemical consumption in both of our hemispheres where we operate in. So this is not just something we're dipping our toe in. It's a commitment we've made as a company, and we're going to continue to
Awesome.
make sustainable investments.
That's great. Thank you very much, Steve.
Thank you.